Hey people, welcome to Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. The primer's done on the tailgate and the bumper, so I'll be doing a little sanding. I also found some stuff I need to weld in the back while I was cleaning it up, so stick around, stay tuned, you'll see what I'm up to. I was back here doing some grinding, cleaning up some of the area where I was doing some of the welding, getting it ready for some primer. And I noticed down here that they didn't do much for attaching this L bracket that goes from here and carries into the back for the hinges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay a weld on this side so I can still lift the bed off, and then probably weld in these holes. On this side it seems the guys just cut it, yoink, did a crappy job of cutting it and left these out, probably because it wasn't going along with their little bumper thing they put down before I changed it. So finding all these little discoveries they left behind, so I'm going to weld that up first, then the other side. Joe put a diamond blade on the old skill saw so he could cut some plates, man. I didn't think that was going to work.
Hot, gotta let it cool down.
But yeah, diamond blade on a skill saw will cut through 1/4 inch thick metal.
Easy.
Joe's gonna help me do the welds on the back of Sam, and I'm making up some we actually made these to replace the hooks that were on the outside because we were gonna weld the hooks on the inside and discovered they were pot still. And if you don't know what pot still is, when I'm done grinding, I usually drag a magnet over and toss all the loose particulate matter in here, unlike my muffin. And just from the rain, it got hard. Now what these guys will do is take those fine particles, heat it up quick enough so it melts, and then drop it in a mold. The only problem is when you weld on it, all those little air holes in there, it burns right through it and vaporizes it. That's why pot still sucks. So we're gonna make some better tie downs. Joey didn't like these.
These only suck, dude, and they don't look the same. Make them perfect.
So he's gonna do the welding and I'm gonna make some more of these. Alright people, here's Joey's. Yes, they're exactly the same kind of deal going on. Get it? He's tacking up a few of them. Sounds like he's electrocuting them to death. Welding without his weld helmet. That's just crazy talk.
Polyester burns bad.
Yeah. Here's your others. This stuff, man, it was kind of nasty. We cut it. You saw him cutting on it. This is what it looked like before. It was all nasty. This thing's about 100 years old. It was set up for an old pulley. So we're putting historical parts in a historical truck. Joe's burning down my bed, but he's getting the welds in. Again, just to recap, brah, this one and this side, not this side.
Yeah, and fill all these.
No, don't fill in all the holes. Haha.
Solid.
He's funny.
I know.
We're gonna probably fix the other side so at least it has a guide to sit on. Yeah, well, you're not bringing the wood here right now.
No, that'll be Monday.
And the shoestring budget has gone to dental floss budget, so.
It's less than that.
It's less than that. It's a fraction of a piece. It's a piece of little lint stuck in your teeth.
It's a matchbook to clean your teeth.
Alright, budget. Okay, so you get it. No screw ups.
Burning down the house. I think that's good go.
Alright, he's got that side welded up and the old bolt holes that I'm not using anymore.
Basically, that thing sat in there like a horn, and it keeps the bed straight. And since they cut this side, Joe, that dude, is fabricating a new piece to weld onto the old piece that they cut off because they're tards. Using the old bench grinder. Me, while he's doing that, maybe mixing up some paint to shoot on them there parts way over yonder. And again, you've seen me paint before, so I'm not going to show all that. He's got to get the part in there all lined up because it counts on the hinges, you know, to be lined up, so he's got to get it right. And he's going to inset it in there and do the same detail he did on that side as, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Got the new hoops in, all shiny. Joe's about to tack this one in over here on this side. They're considerably better than the other ones I made. So, step up. Same gig, better story. Joe went ahead and welded up some of this junk where I missed some holes and stuff while I was down there painting. Ow! Speared myself with the jack, all the little holes. There's a bunch of them, and he got them. Goes a lot quicker when there's two of us doing this.
That one's where we want it?
Yeah. Welding up some of the side in there, some of the gap that's been happening. Joe and I were conversing that the tie downs that we put in there, I was having an idea about putting a hook underneath since everything's so fragile in case I got stuck, something could pull me out. But these are so buff, if we dropped the tailgate, hooked up a rope between them, it'd work just as good. So, two birds, one stone, better product, right?
Toe hooks and tie downs all in one.
Yes. We got to put the other two up towards the front, but that's for another day. The paint's a couple hours away from drying. I got all the stuff grinded down that Joey welded up. The bottom's all secure and the bed's all beef now because it's actually sitting how it's supposed to. Actually, you shake it so I can better demonstrate with camera work. Before it was all sloppy. See what I'm saying? Those little angle pieces in there were pretty important, so. Yeah, dude. Beef. Ready to go, man. We got a lot of stuff done, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. Dogs are out walking over yonder. They're on a little walkabout. Where's your dog? He's way down by the pond. Bear dog! What? Huh?
Come on.
They like it out here. Plenty of yard.
Alright, that about does it here at Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. We got everything wrapped up. Hope you liked what you saw. Stay tuned. Keep watching and we'll keep putting them out.
Peace!